Hi guys! Welcome sa aking vlog. So ngayon, pag-uusapan naman natin ang mga pwede or hindi pwede pag kayo ay self-employed member or voluntary member kay SSS. So dito guys, merong rules si SSS of changing of MSC for self-employed or voluntary member. Dito, unahin muna natin kung allowed nga ba kayong makapagpa-change or mag-increase ng inyong MSC or monthly contributions. So, ayon kay SSS, kung kayo ay self-employed or voluntary member who is 55 years old and above, is allowed to increase her MSC only once in a given calendar year and by one salary bracket only from the last posted MSC. So, kahit kayo ay 55 years old and above na, pinapayagan pa rin ni SSS na tayo ay mag-increase ng ating monthly contributions or MSC. Pero ina-allowed lamang ni SSS na kayo ay mag-increase ng inyong monthly contributions or MSC once in a given calendar year. So, isang beses lamang sa isang taon. Bawa yung kasalukuyan yung contributions is 750 pesos. So, yung next bracket ang pwede. So, ang next bracket ng 750 pesos is 825 pesos. So, next year, kung gusto nyo naman mag-increase, so pwede naman, yun naman is, ang next bracket naman ng 825 pesos is 900 pesos. So, hindi pwede guys na mag-increase kayo ng sobrang taas. So, next bracket lamang. By bracket yung pag-increase nyo ng inyong monthly contributions. At saka once a year lamang ito. So, ito ay para sa mga 55 years old and above. Ngayon naman, para naman sa mga self-employed or voluntary member na below 55 years old. So, kung kayo naman ay below 55 years old, is allowed naman to change his or her MSC without limit in frequency and in number of salary bracket in a given calendar year, but in no case shall be lower than the prevailing MSC for self-employed members. So, kung kayo ay 55 years old and below, allowed kayong mag-change ng inyong monthly contributions or MSC nang walang limit of frequency. So, walang limit kayo na magpa-change or magpapalit-palit ng inyong contribution or MSC. Kahit halimbawa yung monthly contributions na hinuhulog nyo ngayon is naka-minimum kayo, halimbawa 750 pesos, then biglang gusto nyong magtaas pa or mag-increase pa ng inyong contributions into 3,000 or 2,000 pesos, so pwede. Pero kung kayo ay voluntary member, so kahit mag-akyat baba yung inyong monthly contributions, so kahit mataas or bababa man yan, is walang limit at pwedeng-pwede. Then, para naman sa mga self-employed members, so kung wala namang case na kailangan nyo magbaba ng inyong monthly contributions or MSC, is wag na kayong magbaba pa ng inyong kasalukuyang monthly contributions. Pero kung may case naman kayo, halimbawa bumaba talaga yung inyong kita as self-employed, so allowed naman siya. So in case lamang. At pinagbabawalan din ni SSS yung retroactively payment. Kadalasan ang ginagawa ng iba para mas malaki ang kanilang benefits na makiklaim, so nagtataas sila ng kanilang contribution. So hindi pwede yung ganon. Hindi pwede yung retroactive payment. So, halimbawa, bigla lamang kayong magbayad ng inyong contribution para lang maklaim yung inyong benefits. So, hindi din pwede.